Hi, welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn how to convert a Roman number to Arabic number with the help of VBA code. So first, let's see a demo. After that, we will learn how to do this. So first, select the cells containing the Roman number and click this button. You can see the Roman number is converted to an Arabic number, or you can say a normal number. So now we will learn how to create this. So to write the VBA code, we have to open the Visual Basic application. For that, press Alt F11 and go to Insert and click on Module. Now start writing the subroutine. So type here sub Roman to Arabic. Here we will declare a range, so type bin rng as range, and then we will check each and every cell within the selected range. So for that we have to create a loop for each rng in selection, enter. And here we will type next rng. So this is the loop, and within loop we will type if not worksheet function. So with the help of worksheet function, we can add the formula or function that is non-text. Then within bracket rng bracket close 10. Sorry, here we have to 10, and here we will close end if, and within end if we will change the value of the Roman number to an Arabic number. So type here rng dot value equal to worksheet function dot Arabic within bracket rng. Okay, so this is the code with the help of which we can convert a Roman number into Arabic number. So let's go to Excel, create a button like this and type here convert to Arabic number, and right click on the button and click assign macro and select the subroutine here, or you can say macro, and click OK. Now if I select all this, you can see it is converted to normal number. Again here you can see we got the normal number. So I hope you have learned how to convert a Roman number into Arabic number with the help of VBA. So if you have any queries regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. I will surely reply to all your queries. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel to support our work. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.